Hey folks, just had a comment in there from one of our viewers about what kind of cordless sanders we have available. So I think I'll just take you through some of the ones we have in the range here in stock. So we'll start with the belt sanders. This one here is a DeWalt 18-volt cordless brushless sander. Comes in a really sturdy T-stack box. If you're not a fan of DeWalt tools, if you're more of a fan of Milwaukee, we also have 18-volt one available here. It takes all of the 18-volt batteries. It doesn't come in a box, but it does if you buy it with a battery kit. So if you're not after belt sander, we also have these orbital sanders available too, in DeWalt and Milwaukee. And if you're on a budget, this is a really good Draper one. It's a 20-volt Toolforce battery. So if you have other Toolforce tools and it's part of the interchangeable range, then that is the one for you. Now, see, the best for last here, we have this spot sander here from Milwaukee. It takes an M12 battery. Really handy little tool. You can get it into corners there with a pointed edge there, and it's just a great little tool to have around. Now, if you're interested in any of those, visit our website there, toolforce.ie.